And good morning. It is Tuesday and it is about 8:38, almost 8:40, and I am heading to my school. I have to say I'm actually excited to get in there and get stuff done. I wanted to get in there a lot earlier than I did yesterday because yesterday I didn't get in there until 10 o'clock. So I am pretty hungry this morning and definitely need coffee. And a new teacher, Kaylee, at my work. Hi, Kaylee. And she watched my vlog, which is so cool because I'm just starting with these. I know they need a lot of work, but oh well. She's bringing me coffee this morning and a planner. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see it. So thank you so much. I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm going to get to school and you guys, I am going to get a lot of stuff done. So I'm going to leave probably about noon to come home and get my daughter and bring her back and have her start working on bulletin boards and stuff because she is really good at that. I swear she's going to be a teacher someday. She's a little perfectionist, so she does stuff so nicely, and I just love having her in there helping because I can trust her to do things like really nice. So it's great having her. And then I'm gonna take her to the doctor and then probably go back in tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see. I still have time. I do have an all-day training on Friday. I did have trainings tomorrow and Thursday, but I'm thinking I might just use that time because they're optional and just work in my room. I'm trying to decide which is more important, go to the training that's optional or work in my classroom. So, you know, I mean, I wish I could do both, but I've got to choose one. So anyway, I am going to head out now and get to my classroom and I will show you guys the progress that I make today. All right, talk to you soon. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm in my classroom. I just wanted to give a quick update. So since I walked in, I got here about 9 o'clock. I just stopped at Safeway on the way here because I wanted to buy some cleaner just to freshen up and wipe things down. So as soon as I walked in, I made myself a goal in one area of the room, and that was to clean off this back counter. So I did that. I got all the boxes off of there. So, and then I think I am going to keep my pigs up here, and this is a bear I got years and years ago when I graduated from University of Phoenix with my master's. And then I have my pigs, and then this is probably hard to see, but a student made me this last year because I call them smart cookies all the time, so I was like, I have to hang that up. And a student also made me this pig too. Such a sweet family. So I have my pigs up there. This is gonna have all my birthday stuff in it. I'm gonna put like, I have erasers in there, and I'm going to put like birthday certificates and just make sure that I give the kiddos something for their birthdays because I am going to do that this year. I wanna make sure I do that. And then in here, I just have like cups and stuff like that. And then I have more of like my personal stuff. So I have more pigs. This painting I did with another teacher here, Sarah, who I absolutely adore. She is so sweet. And then I have my Mercy Watson books from my friend Carrie, who I absolutely love. So I had to display those. Those are great read-alouds. And then just some of my other pigs. And then I have this little box here. Sorry. And it has my little teacher's Bible in there. So I read that in the morning for motivation. So I have that right there. I don't think I can have it displayed on the shelf, so just keep it in that little box. And then over here, this is going to be my pile of empty containers that I don't know what I'm doing with yet. So I'm just excited that, and I wiped all of these counters. I wiped the whole counter off. I wiped all the cupboards, and it looks cleaner and it makes me feel better. Now, is everything where it's going to go? No, but at least I got unpacked, right? And that's my goal. So now I am going to move over to this stuff over here on the floor, and I will check back in after I do that. Wish me luck. Okay, bye.
Hey everybody. Oh, I am so sweaty.
Not that you want to know that, but it's cool in my room. We do have AC, but just, you know, moving around a lot and stuff and just cleaning, you just get really sweaty. So let's see, it is about, what time is it? Oh my goodness, it is almost noon. Where did the time go? So I've had people in and out, so I've talked to some people. I did get rid of one table, but that other stuff is still in here. I did get this area, let's see, hold on. So this area, it's not really how I want it to stay, like my flex, like that stuff's not gonna stay there. I'm just trying to get it somewhat organized. And then I did keep one table for my whole group instruction, and then I just, not whole group, small group instruction, so that'll be my small group instruction area. And then I have more seats back here, and I still have a bunch of stuff there, so I need to get that stuff all put away. So I'm gonna work on this area until I leave, and I have to leave at 2:20 because I need to pick up my daughter at 2:30. So I have to leave at 2:20. So I am gonna work my butt off till then, try to get some more stuff picked up. But I have to show you guys. Oh, this got, let's see, this got a little bit messier. So I did stop and eat for a few minutes. I have to show you what Kaylee brought me today. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. So she brought me a little planner, and it has my name on it, Miss Amsden, 3rd grade, and that'll fit perfect in my purse because I love to write everything down. So like all my trainings, all my appointments, so happy. And then she also gave me this cute bag. I mean, come on. How cute is that? And it had a bunch of little goodies in it. And she brought me a coffee this morning. Oh my goodness, you guys. Kaylee, you are so sweet. Thank you so much. It just made my day. It started off my day right. And she is going to help me put up my bulletin board. So hopefully I can get to that tomorrow. And my daughter's going to come in too. So with the both of them in here helping, oh, I will appreciate that so much. Because it is hard for me to get up and down on these counters and do these bulletin boards. I'm 40 years old, ladies and gentlemen, and my knees hurt. That's bad, but they do. So anyway, my room's coming along, right? So I have to look at the progress. I'm meeting such great new staff. I'm like so happy. I'm so happy to work with people on this side of the building. Hi, Letitia, if you're watching. I talked to her this morning, so I'm so excited to work with her. And I met Amanda, our new 1st grade teacher. So I'm just excited, you guys. I'm excited about what this school year is going to bring with new staff. Anyway, so yeah, I'm excited. I do miss Stacy. Stacy, if you're watching though, I'm sad. I miss her. But I'm excited for her. She went to a new school, so, and she'll do great anywhere. Just love her to death. So, oh, and Stacy, look, I still hung up the Academy sign over there. I'm tired, or I would get up and walk over there. I'll put on another video at another time. Like when I do my classroom tour, how exciting is that going to be? I've never done a classroom tour video, so I'm real excited for that. All right, guys, I'm going to get up off my butt and get back to work. All right, talk soon.
Hey,
Bye.
good morning, friends. It is actually
Wednesday morning? Yes, so I did vlog in my classroom, and I got quite a bit done yesterday. So like I said, I'm staying positive, focusing on what I'm getting done. Everything is unpacked. Still need to figure out where stuff's going to go because I don't have everything I exactly need or want. So setups, you know, it's coming along. I've got my bag here and some stuff that I have printed and laminated, like a new alphabet and a number line. So I'm going to take that in today and just get it out of my closet in my bedroom because there's like stuff everywhere for school. So I'm going to take that in, and my friend Kaylee from work, who's new to our school, that is just so helpful and kind, she's going to come in and help me with my bulletin boards this morning. So I am going to stop and get us coffee. Lost my train of thought. I'm going to stop and get us coffee. Starbucks is right on the way to my work, and I literally live like 2 minutes from my school, which is fantastic. So feeling pretty good today. Got one of my favorite shirts on. Jesus is kind of a big deal. Love it. Gotta stay focused. Keep praying. Try not to get emotional and overwhelmed, and just stay focused on what I need to get done. So once we get the main back wall of the classroom done and the bulletin boards, I will show you guys that, and I'll try to record some of it while we're doing it. It's hard to remember to pick up the camera every time because I'm trying to get stuff done. However, at least I will be showing you once we do get stuff done. I do remember that. So, all right, everyone, I will talk soon. Bye. Hello, guys. I am in my classroom. As soon as I got in, I went and got Kaylee, and she came in and helped me do my back wall. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Sorry, it looked like someone was coming in my room. Oh, and it makes me nervous because I'm new to vlogging. So I'm like, oh, okay. Anyway, look at that, you guys. I'm showing you from the back of my room, but when the kids walk in, because the door is right over here, that's the first wall they will see. I am so excited. I just can't believe what a transformation it is. It looks so warm and cozy in here. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I'm going to get back to work, sit down on the phone, and get the white paper on the bulletin boards and get some borders up. All right, talk soon. Hi guys, I just wanted to check in. It's about noon right now. So I did get one of the bulletin boards done, and I know this right here is going to drive some of you crazy. I gotta be honest, I hate doing bulletin boards. There's so many other more important things that I could be doing right now. I'm trying to do the best that I can so I don't mess up the beautiful wall that Kaylee helped me with. But from afar, you can't really see it. But that bulletin board, I'm probably thinking is gonna be a place for me to display student work. So I'm just gonna use big pieces of the scrapbooking paper, and it's going to cover most of that white paper anyway. So anyway, I've got some borders up, and I'm putting border here too along the side, and now I'm currently working on this one, so I'll probably put black border around this one too. Yeah, I just want to get that wall done, and then I can just concentrate on some other things that I need to do. So I will show you guys when it's done. My mom's channel. Well, you have to stop this because of copyright.
But yeah, they're like super popular. Okay.
Yeah.
So
You're gonna
this is
restart it. No, you have to hold the camera the other way to show it.
What do you mean? It's showing right now.
Oh wait. Oh, okay.
This is my mom, and then this is what we have done.
That's not all.
And okay, Alfred. Okay, and then my mom, move your face. And then my mom, she did these numbers
well,
here.
Well, that's a work in progress. Everything's a work in progress.
She did, oh, like showing my nails. She did her numbers, the work in progress, like my mom said here. No, I love how this is going. And then my mom put these wood things up. Ooh, smooth. She eating a banana. And then she put these borders up that match it perfectly. Beautiful. Do you want me to go show out the border?
Yeah, that you did.
Come on, Shannon. Okay. Stop smelling that stapler, even though it smells really good. All right, we open the door. Oh, it feels nice out here. Okay. You were barefoot. Okay, whatever. And then me and my friend, Shannon, we did this border here.
It looks great.
It looks great, just like my
Bulletin
mom.
boards.
Yes, and then we're gonna take that down sooner or later. So is that it? Or oh, my mom also set up.
Well, we want to make
that.
something to match.
Yeah, I think it would be better like more like if you use the wood thing or
Yeah,
brown
we'll
or
just-
something.
That's not making.
Shannon said red.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, so what do I say now?
I'll take it.
Bye guys. Bye guys. See you next time on Time to Teach.
Okay, I'll cut that part out.
Oh my god.
All right, come on. Come back in and keep working on the alphabet.
It's a lot of work, Pops. Why do you get up? What about my BTS? What about the R's?
Such hard workers. Hey everybody. I am in my bedroom. I left my classroom about 6 o'clock because I had to get out of there and take my kids to youth group. And then they called me at 6:30 and said, Mom, there's no youth group tonight. I am so exhausted, and you can probably tell because I look exhausted. I look tired. So I worked in my room from 9 to 6 today, and I was trying to stay focused, and I'm sorry I didn't record as much as I should have or could have or would have. I don't know. I'm tired, you guys. But I started off the day at 9 o'clock, and Kaylee, my coworker, she came in and helped me cover my entire back wall. Hallelujah for Kaylee, because that was a job, and she got up on my counter for me and put that up. So I am just so thankful to her, and it just looks beautiful. And then after that, I did the 2 back bulletin boards, and you guys have probably already seen that in the vlog. If not, I'll definitely insert some pictures, because at this point right now it's about 8 o'clock and I can't remember what I recorded today. So, and I've got all the mom stuff I need to do. I need to clean, and yeah, I'm tired and my feet hurt. Oh my goodness, my feet and my knees, like they usually do after I work a full day, but it wasn't with students. But setting up your classroom is so fun because it's a new classroom, and I have a really big classroom, and I just love the colors that I'm using. So I will definitely be in there tomorrow. I think I might just wait till about 10 o'clock to go in and not stay as late, because I'm just like getting behind on personal stuff at home already because I'm spending so much time there. So, but anyway, I am going to go ahead and in this vlog, I know it's long because I'm combining 2 days, but that's okay. So once again, I just want to thank you all for your support to my channel. I'm up to 121 subscribers now, which is like so awesome. And just thank you for watching my videos, and I'm thankful. It's just so great. I will definitely be recording tomorrow more setup of my 3rd grade classroom for the 2018-2019 school year. So please, if you have any questions or suggestions about my classroom, please leave them below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit the notification bell so you will know when I upload. And God bless. I will talk to you next time on Time to Teach. Thanks everyone. Bye.